Yo, it's the last night of 25. The clock's about to sing. Grab a plate, a glass, let the good times swing. The table's groaning, plates of spiced biryani, mango chutney drips. We're laughing like a movie. We're digging into kebabs, samosas in hand, while the band starts to play the rhythms on the sand. Raise your cup, let the bubbles kiss the sky. New faces smiling, cheers we all reply. From the hills to the city, the nights are glowing fire. We're writing new stories, one toast at a time. We're eating, dancing, drinking till the dawn. With new friends by my side, the world feels brand new. Wine flows like rivers, red as the sunrise. Happy New Year, 22 leads easy, let the good vibes rise. A tabla beats a guitar strums, feet start to move. We spin like the wind through the village grooves. Sipping Merlot, we toast to the unknown, to love that's fresh, to laughter we've sown. Shamnam on the leaves, do a midnight kiss. Shem watches over us, lighting every bliss. We share stories, we break bread, we drink the night. In this moment, everything feels just right. It feels whoa! The clock strikes 12, fireworks paint the sky. We're shouting Happy New Year as the colors fly. A plate of sweets, gulab jamun, rascal sweet. We dance on the grass, our hearts on repeat. Clap, clap, wine in hand, party, party.